Mama! Do you hear that crying? I'm coming, little friend. Don't be scared. Oh no! Oh, my little friend, don't cry. You're not alone.
Oh, my poor baby. Don't worry, little one. You're safe now. Mama's here.
You're safe with us now, little friend. We'll take care of you.
What's your name? Little one, you're far from home and it's not safe here alone. We're going to take you to our cottage.
Path is lovely today. The cottage is just ahead.
It looks so cozy. I can't wait to curl up by the fire.
Welcome home, little one. You're safe now. This is where you belong. See, this wood is perfect, and this straw will be so cozy for you, little friend.
This is perfect. Safe, warm, and filled with love. Our new family member will be so happy here.
Chichi. Chirp, chirp.
Thank you for watching our family grow. Please click the like button. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell.